be showing you how to create a chatbot on Java. So I created a mini version of this, which is going to be like the result of a lesson. So as you can see, when we run it, it says, "Hello there, my name is Rob. What is your name?" And then you can put Matas. Hold on. Okay. So now, as you can see, it says, "Hello there. I hope you have a nice day." And it will do that in our new code. So what you want to do, click File, click New Project, make sure it's on Java and Java Application, click Next, and let's call it Workshop Chatbot. And then let's press Finish. And here we have, let's close this. And here we have a fresh new code. So what you're going to want to do is remove all of this because it's not really needed. Okay, so first of all, main thing you're going to want to do is type in import java java.util.scanner, capital letter, scanner. And as you can see, we have our import. So what this is going to do is basically, it's going to say, oh, once I say this, you can type in a reply afterwards. So now, okay. So now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to type in scanner and then create like a variable name. So I'm going to call it my obj equals new scanner and brackets system dot in and then semi. Okay. Okay. So now I'm gonna go down here, and there's two different ways you might want to do this. So first, let's do system.out.println. I explained this on another video, and let's say, "Hello, my name is." Hello, my name is. And then let's say the name could be, I don't know, Jimmy or anything. It can be, so let's call it Rob since robot, chatbot. Actually, let's call it bot. My name is bot. What is your name? Okay. And then what you're going to do is you're gonna put my obj equals new my obj brackets wait, oh wait, my obj dot dot next line, and then next you're going to want to write system.out.println, and you're gonna say your response. So let's say maybe, oh, hello there. What is your favorite food? And then what you would do, go here, my obj dot next line, and then brackets, semicolon, and then system dot out dot println. Okay. Wow. That's cool. That's my favorite too. And then if you run it, as you can see, it says, hello, my name is Bot. What is your name? Matas. Oh, hello there. What is your favorite food? Pizza. And then, wow, that's cool. That's my favorite too. And then that's your chatbot. So there's also another way you could do this. So let's go here. New project. Make sure it's Java and Java application. And then let's call this workshop chatbot 2. Okay. So now let's do the same thing. You're going to want to remove all these, all the blue text. And there we go. And now you're going to import import java.util.scanner. Otherwise the code won't work. Then we do my obj. Wait, no. We do scanner my obj equals new scanner. And then let's put in system.in. System.in. Now, what you could also do is do string name new. Oh wait, no. String name equals, and then let's make it Matas. Okay, so now let's do system.out.println, and let's say, what is your username? And then it'll be name equals my obj dot next line brackets semicolon, and then system.out.println. Okay, access what the password. Okay, and then you could put like string password equals, and then let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. And then what you're going to want to do is go down and then do my obj again, but instead of name you're going to want to do password equals my obj dot next line, and then okay, and now that we've done the password, we can do system.out.println, and then let's type in okay, access granted. So now, as you can see, if you type in what is your username, Matas. Okay, what's the password? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, access granted. Now let's see what happens when we type up something else. Okay, it just says the same, but this is good for if you do if and else, which is in a different, which I might do in a different video. So for example, you could do if it's the username is not the name, then you can make it okay, access denied. So now maybe let's add more onto this. So let's carry on here. So let's do string money balance, and then let's say 10,000. Okay, so let's say Okay. So then you'll do system. So let's maybe put it in like that. System.out.println. Hello, your current balance is 10,000. How much would you like to withdraw? And then what you could do is put in oh wait, I've put println. And then you could do let's say make, and then you could do uh my obj dot next line, and then do that, and then you can do um what money balance minus, okay wait, system dot out dot println. Okay, let's actually do string money to take away, which will, let's say we want to take away 5,000. So then we would do let's do money to, wait, you would do money balance take away wait, let me add a semicolon. Take away money, I need to add a semicolon here. Money to take away. Okay. Okay, and then you're gonna do plus there and plus there. And you're gonna say you now have, and then over on this end we'll put pounds. Oh wait. Okay, so you would do so let's take this away. So, okay, for now let's keep it like that. Okay. Oh wait. You now have, okay, the error was just the, so now you would do plus money balance minus money to take away plus okay, we're gonna need to put, so here we would do money balance take away string money left equals, okay, never mind that. So then it will say my obj, and then it will do my obj dot next line, and then wait, hold on, and then it would say system, and then you would put system dot out dot println. Okay, money withdrawal complete, and then system dot out dot println have a nice day. Okay, so now let's run it. So, what is your username? Matas. What's the password? Let's put all the numbers. Oh, okay. Access granted. Hello, your current balance is 10k. How much would you like to withdraw? Let's say 9,999. Money withdrawal complete. Have a nice day. So it's like a mini bank, sort of, you've made. But you can, of course, do this like with this one. But you can just add more. So what's your name? Pizza. And then, wow, that's cool. That's my favorite too. And you can do it in any ways. And you can use this for, like, making like a mini bank system or anything that includes a robot chatting to you. So I think that should be all. If oh wait, here's another one that I did. Let me just find it. Okay, here. So here's a bigger chatbot that we made during a lesson. So here it is. Please enter your card number. Oh wait, okay. Let me redo this. So, as you can see here, it says my card number. I just put it here just to copy and paste it, as it's hard to remember. Welcome back. Please enter your PIN. Where's my PIN? Okay, that's the PIN I made. Then we would put in that. Logged in, how much money would I like to withdraw? So I have 7,500. I will withdraw 5,000. Thank you for using the bank. Goodbye. And yeah, and if you enter something wrong, so let's say if I entered my card number incorrectly, but entered my PIN incorrectly. Let's put my PIN as 1234. It says PIN error, and then it will end the code. So, yep, that should be all. I hope if you are interested in joining Kiddy Coders, if you haven't already, then be sure to sign up. I think that's all. Bye.